Here is my video diary. During the pandemic, I was home doing Google Classroom or joining online class. For the most part, yeah, I didn't do much in my school year, just doing things. Sometimes I play video games, sometimes I study, or maybe even read books. And I realized to the pandemic that everybody is almost locked up in their home. During pandemic, I'm just playing video games, doing schoolworks, probably sleeping, or just doing my stuff. It's boring life, I know, but this is my diary. I realized also that studying at home is kind of easy, but there's some drawbacks during pandemic, during school year. It's hard to learn something because we don't know things. But in home, you can just Google search what are the assignments in the Google Classroom, and think that is almost all we do in last pandemic. And sometimes I go outside to buy food for myself because I still have money left on my savings, and I'm usually not talking to others during pandemic because I don't want to go to the hospital, and I don't want to go to outside to get COVID-19, which is hard. So I got vaccinated. Also, we do some farming, gardening, I think. Yeah, it's gardening. We do gardening at home. That is all I have to say.